Welcome to my screencast on some of the advanced features of Grammarly, an AI-driven writing tool. When I first started grad school, I was very nervous about my writing. My weak areas were spelling, punctuation, and yes, my grammar. Just by using Grammarly and paying attention, my writing has improved. It has taught me a great deal over the last few years, and now I can write with greater confidence. This screencast is a continuation of one completed in 2019 by another student, so I will go beyond the basics and focus on some of the additional features currently offered. I will talk about what programs Grammarly works with, how it helps you monitor your tone in emails and social media, and what aspects you use to set your writing goals and tailor the program to fit your needs. We will also discuss a great learning tool, a writing handbook, where you can look up the whys of the corrections Grammarly suggests. Grammarly is a browser add-on, and these are some of the applications that Grammarly can be connected with directly, so that as you type, suggestions for improvements appear. You will be able to correct your work within the application before you post or send an email. If you happen to be using an application that Grammarly doesn't work with directly, you can simply open your browser window, click on the icon at the top of your page. This will open a window where you can paste your writing to get the corrections. On the right, you see the menu bar. This keeps track of the different aspects of your writing, but it is the goals that I want to talk about. I have posted a discussion post here so that you can see how this looks. Now, to set your goals, you would go here. You have the options for different types of audiences, levels of formality, different domains that you might be writing in. There is also these emojis that talk about your tone. When you're writing an email, you'll see an emoji come up at the bottom that gives you a general tone so that you can change some phrases if you'd like, if you're not happy with the way it sounds. If I'm going to do some academic writing, I am going to want to change these. I might want to sound like an expert, write formally, and change to academic. When I do this, it will offer suggestions such as this, removing my pronouns, which aren't used in academic writing. There are two ways that you can get to the handbook. If you actually click on one of the corrections, here and learn more, it will tell you why you should not be using a personal pronoun in formal writing. The other way to get to the handbook is to go back to the menu, My Grammarly, and at the bottom of the page, under Support, you can type in Handbook. This will bring up the Grammarly Handbook, which has little essays about all these different aspects of grammar. Recap. There are many applications where Grammarly works with you on your writing. Grammarly can help you set the tone you want while writing emails or posting on social media. It is an excellent tool that offers resources to correct punctuation, spelling, and grammar, and over time will improve your writing and increase your confidence. I highly recommend it. I hope you found this information to be beneficial. Thank you for watching.